hope everyone is having a great day today. Welcome to my channel. Let's talk about it. Former Dallas police officer Amber Guyger has no intentions to finish out her sentence. So this was the Dallas cop that was convicted last October for the murder of Botham Jean. He was an accountant that was living in the same building as Amber Guyger, but the problem was that they were living one floor up from each other. So Amber, she comes home tired as hell, goes into his apartment, which is not hers, and she shoots and kills Botham Jean. And she did admit that, hey, I did kill him, but it was unintentional and it was self-defense. What self-defense was it, guys? That's neither here nor there. We all know there's no self-defense to that. It's not your apartment. This man was in probably boxers eating ice cream, and she did say that, you know, her and the police and saying that it was weed smell. So they tried to make Botham Jean like some drug addict, a drug dealer, who knows, a weed head, but he was not that. And she's serving a 10-year sentence right now, and most people are thinking that she's only going to be serving 5 years, but she barely served 1 year, and she's like, I got to get the hell out of prison, right? Let me get back to the real world. So she has some nerve, because she should have been serving a 20 to 30 year sentence. So her defense team, they're coming out and saying that there's insufficient evidence to convict her of murder, but they should have a hearing and they should convict her, not of murder, guys, of criminally negligent homicide. They're very good with their words. They're trying to get like a less charge. They're trying to, you know, probably a 2-year sentence of time already served. They want to get her out of prison right now. And it's just pretty sad, because the family has come out with a statement through attorney Lee Merritt, and they're just expressing disappointment that the same woman that, you know, she definitely said that, you know, I killed your son. She admitted to it, and she was looking for forgiveness within the family, but the same woman that's trying to get out of prison, or get out of prison free card, and get out very quickly. And it's like, and the mother, Botham Jean's mom, which is a diplomat for St. Lucia, saying, hey, my son's murder, his death was more than just 10 years, and we all know that. She should be serving a lot more time. So she does have the nerve to try to run out of jail, out of prison. And it was just pretty sad to see that Botham Jean's younger brother, Brand, he's up in the court. We all seen it on TV. He's hugging this woman saying, I forgive you. It's like, come on, man. Come on. We too forgiving. It's like, black people, stop all this forgiveness. You know, he killed your brother. Mom, he killed your son. All that forgiving things, if you're going to forgive silently, in your home, in your head, not in public, not on TV. It gives the wrong message that, hey, you can kill us, kill the people, and we're just gonna say we forgive you, and it makes it all right. So I don't agree with that. And then the judge as well, she's hugging her, giving her Bibles and all that. It's like, and this was a black judge, guys, if you remember. I just thought that was just terrible to see. And then the court officer, he's fixing her hair. It was, listen, guys, it was just a mess. So, but there was a twist to the story, guys, in the case, and we all know this. Joshua Brown, he lived across the hall from Botham Jean, and he was the star witness for the prosecution, and he testified against Amber Guyger, and they all lived in the Dallas Southside Flats apartment, right? So he testified against her. He helped to get that conviction, but here's the twist, guys. He was murdered. He was shot to death in Dallas in 2019. And we don't know why, right? What do you think? I think some officers, they probably, you know, they went in the car, and I'm not laughing, this is not funny, but I'm just thinking like how crazy and how corrupt that police can be to protect their own, to save their own, right? So they probably crept up in the car and shot him, and now they're saying it was a drug deal going bad. I mean, come on, guys. He gets killed right after Amber Guyger is convicted of murder. You know, that it's like, come on, what's the likelihood of that happening? Not to say it couldn't, but something smells fishy on that. I want to know what you guys think about that part. So Amber Guyger, I mean, she's like the scum of the world. I mean, little 5-foot girl, acting all tough and pulling out guns and shooting and blazing. A lot of people are even saying too that it was all a setup. It wasn't accidentally she just went in an apartment and just pulled her gun out and shot. A lot of people were saying this was planned. This was an execution, a planned execution. Who knows? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. But this is what the streets are saying. This is what people are saying. You know. But I want to know what you guys are thinking in the comment section. Tell me that, do you think Amber Guyger should get out of prison before her 10 years? Or do you feel that she should stay? And another option is, well, this is not really an option. Before she was convicted, well, when she was convicted, do you think that she should have got a longer sentence for killing Botham Jean? I want to know that part. But the family, I think too, they come out with this statement. I think that they had a lot of not just compassion for Amber, but they had high expectations for her or something. Like, your son just got killed, your brother was just murdered, and you put all your faith into this woman. I just don't know where that comes from. And to come out with a statement through Lee Merritt and just say that you're just highly disappointed. Don't be shocked, guys. It didn't shock me when I heard about it. When I heard she appealed, I was like, just another day in the neighborhood. It did not shock me at all. I knew this was going to happen. And will they have a hearing about it? I wouldn't be shocked if they do. I hope she finishes out her 10-year sentence. Do I think she will? No. She's something else. And the police, they all was protecting her. And another thing, guys, before I run and let you guys go to finish out your day, a lot of the police officers in the Dallas Police Department, they live in that building. The reason why, it's very close to the department. It's very close to the precinct. So a lot of the officers live there, and you notice when the shooting happened, the officers came really quick. She hit them up on the walkie-talkie. Hey, I just shot somebody, come on. And they ran just like that to protect her. But who's gonna protect Botham Jean? Who's protecting him? You know, we as the people, we have to stand up and we have to speak out against it. And what's right is right, what's wrong is wrong. And I do not want to see her get out of prison. Damn shit, I want to see her do life. But again, she's already convicted. And but that twist, that got me the most. I think out of the whole murder conviction was about Joshua Brown when he got shot. When he got shot to death in Dallas, literally right after the conviction. And it's like, there's nothing, no one's talking about it no more. You don't hear about the media talking about it. They're saying that it was a drug deal gone bad, and they can easily hide something, guys. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. Please share it, like the video, subscribe to my channel below. I will have more videos on the way. And in the comment section too, one last thing is a favor I ask of you guys. What do you want to hear next? Tell me what video, what subject, what topic you want me to talk about that you wish that was getting more some more light, right? So I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace and love.